All right. What is more cost effective for the SVHO engine longevity? Oil pan upgrade or Riva slash Fizzle blow off valve?
Uh, Definitely do with the blow off valve. It's a few hundred
Right.
bucks. If you got one of these skis, you can afford to spend a few $100 on a blow off valve on the Yamaha. Uh, you're relieving that pressure there that's putting load on the supercharger and the clutch. And for years, it's been almost a fail safe. Sure, you'll still have clutches fail, but maybe not as regularly as they would. If you can't afford both and you've got a high performance ski, great, and do them both. But if definitely do the blow off valve first, and everyone should really have the blow off valve on SVHO.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.